In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with SharePoint easily and effectively. Whether you're looking to streamline your project management processes or simply want to connect these two powerful platforms, I've got you covered. Let's dive in and make this connection smoother than ever. First, you'll want to navigate over to Monday.com. You can open your favorite web browser and type Monday.com into the search bar. Once there, the first thing you'll want to do is log in. Head over to the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. If you've already created an account with Monday.com, this step will soon become second nature. Upon clicking Login in, you'll be presented with a variety of sign-in options. Look towards the option labeled Google and click on it, selecting your preferred Google account for a streamlined login experience. Once you're logged in and ready to rock, it's time to head to your board. On your dashboard, navigate to and select the appropriate board where you wish to integrate with SharePoint. You'll now focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on the Marketplace will open up a plethora of apps and integrations. In the search bar, simply type in SharePoint. This action will help you locate the exact integration you need. As the search results populate, click on Microsoft 365 SharePoint. This selection begins the process of linking your SharePoint account with Monday.com. Next, it's time to set everything up by clicking on Install App. You will be prompted to choose a workspace. Choose the one you want to add Microsoft 365 SharePoint to. After selecting your workspace, proceed to pick the board you want to integrate it with. It's a straightforward process. With a few clicks, you'll be ready for the final steps. Now go ahead and click Add App to finalize the installation. At this point, you may want to harness the power of automation. Choose an automated template that helps you create a seamless connection with SharePoint. Whether you're managing tasks, organizing documents, or collaborating with your team, these automated workflows will simplify your processes significantly. To wrap things up, click on Create Automation, a final but crucial step in completing the integration process. If, during this process, you are prompted to connect your Microsoft account, simply provide the necessary credentials. This will ensure everything is linked up perfectly, enabling you to leverage the full power of these tools. And that's it. With these simple steps, your Monday.com is now successfully integrated with SharePoint, enhancing your capabilities and streamlining your workflow. Make sure to explore all the features now available to you and maximize the benefits of this powerful integration. Thanks for tuning in and happy project managing.